On the morning of April 18, 1906, San Francisco experienced one of the most devastating earthquakes in history. The earthquake struck at 5:12 a.m., causing widespread destruction. The tremors were so powerful that they were felt from southern Oregon to Los Angeles and inland as far as central Nevada. The earthquake caused buildings to collapse and ignited fires that raged for several days. Thousands of people were displaced, and the city was left in ruins. The disaster resulted in an estimated 3,000 deaths and left over half of the city's population homeless. Fires, fueled by broken gas lines, destroyed approximately 500 city blocks. The city's infrastructure was severely damaged, and the economic impact was profound. Despite the devastation, the people of San Francisco demonstrated remarkable resilience and determination. They quickly began the arduous task of rebuilding their city, with efforts led by both local citizens and the government. Reconstruction efforts included the implementation of stricter building codes and the use of more fire-resistant materials. Over time, San Francisco emerged stronger, with new buildings and improved infrastructure. The city's recovery from the 1906 earthquake stands as a testament to human resilience and the power of community. The story of San Francisco's rebuilding serves as an inspiration, reminding us that even in the face of great adversity, we can rebuild and thrive. Please like and subscribe for more.